Hello, friends, and welcome to the Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition, we talk about estate planning and why estate planning should be done ASAP and not just in times of global pandemic. Let's see, everyone could have got things done in prior years. Let's see, people put things off. Well, estate planning is not just for rich people. While good estate planning can lead to desirable financial outcomes under the right circumstances, estate planning in its most basic form involves implementing legal steps and directives that are necessary to ensure that your health and your assets are managed properly in the event of your incapacity or death. And again, you look at, do you know anyone who's passed away? I'd say, I know people who have passed away. If they had documents done, that was good news. If they didn't have documents done, it becomes a mess. So, do you want to make sure that your family has legal authority to direct and take part in your medical care if you become ill? Question mark. Do you care how and when your assets will pass to your spouse, children, or other beneficiaries at your death? Question mark. Let's see, are there charitable groups? Let's see, your church, your local school, your college, that you'd want to have something passed to them. Next, do you want to avoid a costly and uncertain court proceeding if you, your spouse, or adult child becomes incapacitated? And unfortunately, many people are hospitalized now, and the courts big courts became closed during the pandemic. Also, some of your children might have minor children. Don't you want to put someone in place that would be the guardian of your kids and the guardian of your assets? So, the following are documents that are a foundation to any good estate plan. And so, take notes now. Number one, last will and testament. Let's see. You can get a will done. Let's say, yeah, your attorney can do it online for you. Forward it back, have it printed, you have it signed. A will basically says who's executor one, who's executor two, who's getting your assets, who will get your assets if that person isn't around. And many times people say, I'm not giving assets to a particular person that hasn't been in my life for years, hasn't called me up, didn't call me on Mother's Day, didn't call me on my birthday, didn't call me on Christmas. I'd say next, durable power of attorney. You want to have it done now. When there's crises in the United States, such as during the pandemic, attorneys can't go to hospitals to have you sign powers of attorney. However, you can get these documents done, prepared, and have them at least notarized. Next, you want to have a living will advance directive for health care. It's a document that nominates a trusted person, typically a spouse or a family member, to make medical care decisions in the event of your incapacity. But without that, the hospitals are just going to say, well, we're just going to keep this person alive for weeks at a time. I used to say, if there was no hope for me, I don't want to be on feeding tubes. And then if I'm in a coma and there's no hope for me, then the end should come now. So anyway, contact your attorney, have documents done. If you're in New Jersey, it doesn't matter what county you're in, we can prepare documents for people. Visit website njlaws.com, njlaws.com. There's a contact form. People contact us, we email them a questionnaire. They don't have to come to our office. Then we prepare the documents. Let's say the people, we welcome people when offices are open to sign, but otherwise, all you need is 2 witnesses and a notary. Not that complicated. njlaws.com. Otherwise, call our office, 732-572-0500. Thank you.